We should try this one.
चिकन बनाई थी, चिकन तंदूरी या चिकन टिक्का.
Sorry.
It's like peri-peri slash...
Oh, peri peri chicken.
Oh, okay. Okay, I don't need
I don't know, I
sauce.
just threw up seasonings, I don't know how it is.
Wow.
We got it.
Exactly.
We got
Yeah.
this and that
Yeah.
for every birthday.
Yeah,
We'll
it's
use
gonna
it for
be our
every-
trademark now.
Yeah.
Yeah, every birthday.
Okay,
Yeah.
so who has a good phone? Ali, can you take picture and then you can come us, join us?
Yeah, let's take... Okay, you guys stand with Omar. And I'll
Yeah.
take a photo of you guys.
Come on,
Omar.
So dumb.
Nobody's.
Come
Who
on.
wants to try it right now?
No one's gonna see it.
Yeah, I'm so.
Yeah, he is cutting pork. He is waiting for cutting.
Oh, coffee. Okay.
I got it so I can have it too. Hey, dear Omar, happy birthday to you. The plate's right there.
Thanks, Baba. Appreciate it. This is a lot. Yeah. You guys did a lot.
And Nushra, we miss
just
you.
miss her so much.
And this will be here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. And my,
No, the biryani you could take home. That's
by
all
that
that's
time,
here.
Piniana will grow and become a pony.